Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering off and removing both AirPods from the case. This prevents accidental shorting. Heat the seam lightly, about 30–40 seconds, with a hair dryer to soften adhesive. This makes opening easier. Use a thin pry pick at the case hinge and lift slowly, keeping fingers clear. Once you get a small gap, insert a plastic spudger to maintain separation. These steps let you access internal screws without cracking the shell, so go steady and keep parts organized. You now remove the T5 screws that secure the midframe. Keep screws labeled because lengths vary. Once screws are out, lift the midframe gently, do not yank, then identify the battery and speaker flex cables. Using a plastic spudger, pry connectors straight up. This prevents bending pins. If adhesive holds components, reapply gentle heat rather than force. Take photos of each step so you can return cables to their exact spots. This cautious middle stage protects fragile flexes and the logic board. You finish by removing modules in sequence: battery, drivers, and sensors, lifting with a spudger and easing away adhesive. Clean mating surfaces and replace adhesive with thin 3M 300 LSE strips for reliable reassembly. Before snapping the midframe closed, reconnect battery last, then power test the unit to confirm functionality. This avoids resealing a faulty connection. If the AirPods do not power, make sure connectors are fully seated and free of debris. Reseat, then retest.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.